What's up and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the mess in the background, you will know why it is like this in a second. But today is another vlog and it is 2 p.m. and it's Friday the 5th of August. And it's been a week, and I'm kind of shocked in everything that happened in not a lot of time. But basically, I am getting hospitalized in 3 days, which means Sunday, and I learned that yesterday. So my room is kind of a mess. I don't know if you can see, like, I have this that is what I'm already ready to pack, and a lot of stuff everywhere, just because I have a new bed that we built last week also, and so it's kind of a lot. But basically this morning I had an appointment with my puppy Skyla. She's 8 months old and we've been having a lot of issues with her. I will probably go in more details in her 9-month update video, but basically I'm sorry if there's a lot of like rough cuts. I have a really bad cold and pretty much every time I talk I end up coughing, so I'm sorry if that's the case. But basically she has a lot of behavioral issues, but we saw a trainer and she said that she's perfectly trained. So the problem was physical. So we saw a vet this morning and it was a video call appointment, and just by talking to her and showing her videos and everything, my puppy was diagnosed with hypothyroidism, which means that her thyroid doesn't produce the hormones that it's supposed to, and it's basically affecting her whole body and the way she functions and everything. So she will have to be put on a bunch of meds to try and get the situation out of control. I'm sorry, my voice is so weird right now. And by talking to her, we also just touched a little bit on everything that's going on with me. For those who don't know, I'm in a wheelchair, I'm paralyzed, and I have a lot of health issues. And she basically said, go to your doctor and ask him to run a thyroid check on you too, because you are showing signs, because all the evidence for dogs are based on what happens with humans. And we also, like, she said that it affects the hormones, so we asked about like periods and everything, and she said that yes, it could, and it's also usually linked with endometriosis. And she asked if I got tested for that, and we said no, but I have a lot of problems with that. So she said that we should also get that checked out. So yeah, but yeah, that's basically what happened this morning, which is completely crazy, and I can't believe that seeing a vet could potentially solve my problems. But yeah, okay, I'm coughing way too much right now. I can barely talk without coughing so much, so I'm not gonna ramble on too much, and I'm just gonna do what I wanted to do, which is start to get everything out that I will need for my 2-week hospitalization. I'm sorry for my voice, I am dying inside, but that's fine. I'm gonna stop talking.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air.
Hi, it's a little later. I am now joined with Skyla, which only shows her butt right now. But as you can see, I have a bunch of things. I was currently trying to figure out what I was gonna take as far as clothes goes, because honestly the weather there, the morning it's gonna be 5 degrees and in the afternoon it can be 26. So I have t-shirts, long sleeve and hoodies. I have everything just in case. I'm probably not gonna wear everything, but at least, like, depending on the weather, I have everything that I'm gonna need. And you say hi. Yeah. But I actually went to my grandma's house because I needed a few things there to do. So I went and I went there for a little while. She's not happy because my parents are leaving for doing some errands, and they left her in my room, and she's not happy because she's currently hearing them leave. That's why. She's fine. But I'm gonna go through my makeup, because I'm gonna take just a few things just to look decently human while I'm there, and then I'm gonna go through my stationeries and figure out what I'm taking with me, because I have my custom journal that I'm supposed to give in 3 weeks, and I'm gonna be there the whole time, so I'm gonna have to do it there. So I have to take everything for that. So it's a lot of figuring out what I'm gonna actually need. So there's a lot of work for that. So I'm currently trying to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
today, and as you can see, I went to the hairdresser and I actually got my hair cut before going, so like that I won't have too much troubles for when I come back, because it will be back to school when I come back. So at least that's done. And right now it is almost 3 p.m. if I'm correct. Yeah, it's 2:44. It wants to, no, it doesn't want to show it, but currently this is the stage of my bed, and everything is just basically everywhere. So I also am breaking out, so that's pretty fun. But I have the suitcase in my room, I have a bag, I have everything I need to start the process of actually packing everything. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and it's gonna be a whole separate video which will be probably uploaded after this one, I think. So if you're interested in that, then you can go check out this video, but that's what I'm gonna do now, and I will see you guys afterwards. Hi! I know it doesn't seem like I actually like moved, but I did. It is pretty much 5 p.m. right now, and I have finally finished packing. I have my suitcase here and the bags on my bed. I just have like the last minute stuff that I will still need today to pack. But other than that, I am packed, and I still can't believe that I am leaving tomorrow. Like, yeah, it's crazy. I also still have to pick a book because I have all my books and I cannot decide. I'm taking my ebook with me, so like that I can like have a little more. But usually I have the first book of series. I have it I have like a physical copy, and then the rest of the series, because I'm too impatient, I just have it ebook. Do not have to go to the store and buy it. But because of that, I don't really know what I want to take with me. So I'm still figuring that out. But yeah. Right now I am going to go downstairs and edit the packing video, so like that it's all done. And yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Don't mind the way I look. It's the next morning. I didn't really regret anything because I was kind of stressed and running around and trying to end everything. I also did the editing from my packing video, but I just had a lot of things to do. But today is the big day, and I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna do a separate vlog going there. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!